Hi friends, now you can see the fan is rotating. Okay, when the fan is rotating, we will show you on the screen. This is on time and this is off time. That means in this one cycle we are giving only a small pulse of the DC current, and here it is completely off. During this off, there is a voltage developed. The spike what we are seeing here is a voltage developed. Okay, so this is how the efficiency of the fan is increasing. We are not giving continuous current supply. You can see the current supply is only in the form of pulses. Okay, the on time is less, off time is more. We can also increase and decrease the off time and on time by changing the width of this strip here. Okay, so here is a sensor. Here is a sensor. The sensor is indicating that it is not taking continuous current, it is taking the form of pulses. Okay, now the most important salient feature of this fan is it is a waterproof fan. You can pour water anywhere while the fan is running. Now see, this is a bottle of water and I am going to pour it on the fan. Okay, while the fan is running. Anywhere. You can pour the water anywhere when the fan is running. That is why this fan has got an international award for the best innovation. Hope you